across India. Let's welcome him with some high five, waving hands, introducing to you Rajinder J.
Thank you so much. A very big hi to everybody. Say hi, everybody. Wave your hands. Can I see waving of hands? Yeah. Brilliant, guys. Brilliant. We have a house full. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you, Sunita ji, for the amazing and wonderful introduction. Thank you so much. Okay. So are you guys ready? Yes. Show me thumbs up. When I ask you something, thumbs up will do. Yeah. Brilliant. Okay. So let me begin with a question. Okay. When I ask you a question, you can answer in the chat box or, show of hands and stuff like that. So are you ready for that? Yes? Brilliant. Okay. So how many of you believe communication is very, very important? Talking is very, very important. How many of you believe that? Raise your hands if you believe in that. Thank you so much. How many of you believe that talking is not at all important? How many of you believe that? Not important. Oh my God, I don't see anybody. Okay, brilliant. 100%. Everybody believes that, communication is important. If I understand it right, I've been informed that in the program, Public Speaking Mastery, we have registrants from almost 37 different cities from all over India. We have people from outside and stuff. That is great. That is something amazing to have. So what I'm asking you to do is right now in the chat box, type in the name of your city very quickly. Type in the name of your city. Don't worry about the spelling. Short form is also okay. Chennai, Vanakkam, Bangalore, okay, Ahmedabad, okay, Pune, Hyderabad. Oh my God, Hospet. Oh, Mysuru, Ludhiana. Oh my God. I tell you, you guys are amazing. Can I have a round of applause for yourselves? Have a round of applause. I tell you why, okay? Because you are super excited participant, okay? You are participating with energy. Okay, I love you guys for that. Anyways, okay. Now, I still see few people are wondering what is happening. Ye ho kya raha hai? Okay. The reason being, generally, whenever you go to classes, sessions like this, what will happen is one uncle will come on the online, okay? They will sit on the chair, correct? And they will teach you things. Well, I'm not here, with a, of course, I have a beard, okay? I'm here like a Baba only, okay? But not here to teach you the definition of public speaking is, public speaking benefits are, I'm not here for that, okay? But if you want to enjoy, I'm here to have fun with you people. Are you ready to have some fun with me? Yes? Come on, guys. Yes? Brilliant. Thank you so much. And for those who are, still thinking we are having fun, what I want to share with you before we enter into the, the subject. First of all, I want you all to open your videos. Keep your videos open, okay? Because this is the way I can see you. My team, Sunita ji, is seeing you people. She's observing you people. So any feedback we have, we can give you feedback. Is that okay with you people? Yes? Show me a thumbs up if that's okay. Brilliant, guys. Okay. Why? Very, very important is, listen, participation is very, very important. I will share three things. One, participation is key for you to learn anything much faster. Much faster. Yes. Point number two, participation makes it very easy. The more you participate, the easier it becomes. This is, I'm talking from my life. Yeah. Whether it is education, whether it is your subjects, even the most hated subject. Okay. You may not like mathematics or somebody may not like language. Whatever it is, if you participate, believe me, you'll get amazing marks. You may not like it, but you will still get some amazing marks, right? And the most important is participation makes you a hero. You become a hero or heroine. You become the center stage, okay? So how many of you want to become a hero here? Yeah, very quickly, show of hands, show of hands. Yeah. Okay, now let me tell you, I have taken sessions for all aged people, right from 8 years, 10 years to all the way 74. Correct, Sundaji? 74 years. Okay, Sundaji is laughing. Okay, we have taken for people who are aged 74 also. Okay, we take for all age groups. One thing my observation is, can I give my observation here? I love taking class for teenagers, people of your age. You know why? Because these guys are smart. You guys are smart. Okay, this is what my understanding is for the last 10 years that I've been taking. Teenagers are smart, and smart people always participate as 100%. Do you with me? Are you with me on this? Yes. Yeah. That is when I could see you people chatting on the chat box, and I don't have to say, you people are there. Okay. Next 5 days, this participation is very, very important. Next 5 days. How many days, please? Show me, show me, show me. Yeah. Brilliant. Guys, thank you so much. I will ask you to do a lot of crazy stuff here. People call me crazy. I am crazy, and I love people when they call me crazy. Yeah. You are going to be made to do a lot of crazy stuff. I want you to be with me. Don't allow your mind to think, should I do? Should I not do? ये क्या ऐसे कर रहा है? नहीं करना है. Boys, all the boys and girls, listen to me. If you want public speaking to be a part of your blood, then listen to what Rajubhai says. Yes, are you with me on this? Yes. Thank you so much. Okay. It's just for 5 days, and I promise you, it's going to be a huge difference. Okay. Now, before I proceed further, I want to thank each one of you. A big thank you to each one of you for the overwhelming response. We had 250 people, more than 250 plus around 50-60 people waiting for registration, and you are the lucky people who are inside this room. Believe me, it is when you are hungry to learn, that is when you are in the room. You agree with me on this? Yes. And I love hungry people. Okay, both for knowledge also, for food also, because I'm also foodie. So acha jamta hai dono ka. I love people who are hungry. You know why? Because you will grow in life, I will grow in life. Yeah. So before we begin, give yourselves a huge round of applause. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. Come on, come on, come on. I want to see everybody clapping. I want to see everybody clapping. Yeah, brilliant. Yo, guys, thank you so much. You already are participating. Thank you so much. Okay. Now the question is, what are we going to learn here? What are we going to learn here? Correct. You have this question in mind. Yes. You want me to answer this question? Yes. Come on. You need to raise your hands when I ask you something. Yeah. Okay. Well, point number 1, we are going to make public speaking very easy and effortless. How many of you want to learn that? Effortless. Kuch effort nahi lagega. In fact, you will not even come to know that I'm teaching you public speaking. I assure you of that. Yeah. You want to learn that? Let me see your hands. Yeah, I want to see who all wants to learn that. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Yash, Manvi, Sana, Deshna, Meghna, guys, amazing. You guys are amazing. The way you are participating, brilliant. Okay. Why? Because day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year, me and Sunita ji have been doing this. In Sarvatra, this is what we do. Okay. Let me ask you a question. How many of you speak to your mom? Speak to your mother? How many of you speak to your mother? Pretty much everybody, right? Nobody is, oh yeah, everybody. Thank you so much. Okay. Let me tell you, public speaking is as simple as talking to your mother. And I mean it. Public speaking as simple as talking to your amma, to your mom. It's as simple as that. Shocking, right? A lot of you, I can see, oh my God, is it? Yes. This is what we are here to do for you. This is why you are here. Yeah. The only thing is, I want you to participate. Be with me. Make sense? Yes. Okay. Point number 2. How many of you feel scared the moment they say you are going to give a speech? Oh my God, how will I write a speech? How many of you have gone through this dilemma? Okay. No, thank you so much. People who have not raising your hands, you are telling lies. That's all I can tell you. Okay. Because I can raise my hands, my both legs. Okay. Why? Because that is, thank you so much. Because that is one problem people face, especially teenagers, especially people of your age. Students who study in school and college, they face this problem. Okay. How would you feel if I tell you we are going to teach you easy and simple techniques to write a speech just like that? Would you want to learn that? Would you want to learn that? Thank you so much. Okay. In few minutes, that's all. My whole idea is it should come from within. You should not be scared. You should not spend time. You agree with me? It should come. Thank you so much. See, somebody fights with you. Okay. How easily all the bad words comes out. Okay. Poo, ma, all that stuff. I don't want to share here. You eat, chew, all that stuff. Okay. I don't want to share here. Okay. But so easily they come out. Yes or no? Honestly tell me, it comes out or no? Yeah. Thank you so much. Public speaking should come out like that. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me on this? Sunita ji is laughing. Okay. Why? Because we have been doing this for ages now. Thank you so much. Okay. Over the years, we have trained hundreds and thousands of children, and not a single child, listen to this very carefully, not a single child has refused to deliver a speech till date. No matter what their age is, they have never. That is why I say we have a 100% record. We have a 100% record. Yeah. Why have we got a 100% record? Because we teach you step by step. Everybody do this. Step by step by step. Do this, do this. I will ask you to use your hands and legs. Do this. I told you, be with me if you want to learn public speaking. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. The only requirement from your side is follow Raju Bhai. What I tell you, you need to follow. So are you willing to do that? Thank you. It's just 5 days. And I promise you, we are going to have huge tamasha, huge fun. How many of you are already enjoying? Tell me if you are enjoying, if you're having fun, type in the chat box fun. Type in the chat box fun. If you can type in fun in the chat box very quickly. Yeah, because now, gaadi garam ho gaya, abhi chalega jordar. Oh my God, you guys are amazing. Okay, let me take a disti out of you people like this ones. Okay, super batch, amazing batch. Okay, super participative batch. Anyways, how many of you are already learning something? How many of you think you are already learning something? Quickly, honestly answer. If you have learned something, some small tips also, you should raise your hands. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. In fact, oh my God, you guys are brilliant. Okay. Lakshya, then was Sachin. Oh my God, Sachin, you have joined in. Hi, Sachin. Wonderful to have you. Okay, Dia, super, wonderful guys. Okay. Now that when I look at you, okay, can I share something with you from my age when I was of your age? Can I share something? Is it okay? I want to set the context, okay, so that it's easy for you to understand why Raju Bhai is putting so much of efforts. Okay, why I love teenagers. Okay, do you want to know something? Can I share it with you? Yes, if yes, raise your hands. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, thank you so much. Show something, maybe a reaction or something, some action has to be there because we are here to have fun. Okay, done. It was my 8th standard. Which class, please? Show me, show me, show me. Come on, guys, you need to be with me. Yeah, 8th standard. And till 8th standard, I never gave a speech or stuff like that. Okay, 8th standard, I had a set of friends who liked me a lot. Of course, always friends like you. So one of those days, a memo came which said debate competition. Okay, debate, right? Debating competition. Yeah, elocution or debate, what they call. Yeah, thank you so much. So my friends told me, they coaxed me. Okay. Chadaka hai na, Raj, you should go. I said, why? They said, you speak so nice to all of us. Okay, few more people extra, you speak, you will get prize. I said, wow. See, who does not want prize? Do you people want prize or no? Tell me honestly, yes or no? We all want, yes, brilliant. You are like me only, so apna maja aayega abhi, okay. So I gave my name. See, one thing what I love about myself is when I commit myself, I give my 100%, nothing less. Otherwise, I don't commit. Getting my point? Yes. So thank you so much. That is when I've committed you, whatever I've told you, I will give more than 100% to make sure that I stand, I stand my ground. So I started preparing. I prepared a lot. And guess what happens? The day of the debate competition came and I got the shock of my life. You know what? They took us to the school hall. Okay, we didn't have chairs. They were sitting on the floor. They took me there. And as we went behind the stage, I got scared. Puk, 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 puk. You know why? Because the entire school was sitting on the other side of the partition. They were sitting all, and I could see all boys school. So you understand how boys, whoa, all noises were coming. I was getting puk, 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 puk here because I thought I will speak to only my class or a few more people. In fact, I was getting scared. I was shivering, trembling, sitting there. I wanted to run away from there, somehow run away. But teachers, teachers, no? Yes or no? You have experienced teachers? Especially those who are like, the Dadagiri teachers. Those Dadagiri teachers also, no? Both male and female, they are Dadagiri like that. They were roaming around. I think they were ensuring that nobody runs away from there. Okay, so I couldn't run. And as all this was happening in my mind, my name was called. I didn't hear. My neighbor, my friend sitting next to me, he put me like this. Hey, Raju, your name. Just imagine. I'm trembling. I am shaking. I went inside in front of I went through the door, I don't know what to do. I went on the stage. I looked up. Everything was blank, all black color only in front of my eyes. Okay. I reached for the mic. My throat went dry. I couldn't speak. Something like that. So somehow I put, saliva, all that you do inside your mouth, right? I did that somehow. And then I was actually trembling and I was feeling sweaty. In fact, water was coming from every hole of my body, except this did not come out. Chuchu did not come out, that's all. Otherwise, the water was coming from every hole of my body. Somehow, I don't know what I did. I started all that stuff. And after some time, I heard everybody clapping. So I said, thank you. And I went away. I went again to my seat. I sat down over there. Abba, finished. I was sweating. I was, trying to all this stuff I was doing. And after some time, they called my name again. This time I could hear my name. I said, "Bacche ki jaan loge kya?" Yeah, please understand. My friend said, "Hey, Raju, Maga, they are giving you third prize." I said, "What? Third prize?" Just imagine. Naka. Okay. I went, took my prize. What I want to share with you is not this. This is not the important part. Important part is what happened after this. You know what happened? Do you want to know what happened after this? Yes. Because that is thank you so much. That is very important for you to know. Yeah, Avdi, you're listening to me, right? This is very important. Whether you're in 6th standard, whether in 8th standard, whether in 10th standard, whether in 12th standard, whichever class you are in, or in fact, even if you're not studying and you are grown up beyond that, what is important, okay, for everybody is what happened after this. Next day, I was surprised. When I was coming to the school, there were boys pointing out at me like this to each other. They were talking, they were showing finger. 2-3 people showed like this. So I felt they are pointing at me. After a point of time, principal called me. I am notorious, but I never get caught. That much is for sure. To all the boys and girls here, okay, be notorious, no problem, but never get caught. If you get caught, then you are notorious. Otherwise, you are a good person. Parents are not listening here, right? Brilliant. Everybody show thumbs up if you understood what I told you. Yeah, masti karo, jo karna hai karo. Pakda nahi jana chahiye bas. I'm a very practical person, okay? So, principal call, I went into a room. She told me, why don't you stand for school captain's election? I said, what? Till yesterday, nobody knew me. Now, everybody is pinpointing at me. My teachers, in fact, next 1 week, So many options. I was made the class monitor. Before this, who was Rajendra Jain? I don't know. Yeah, but after that, I became popular. This is not enough. Wait, more important thing for you will come now. I look very decent, right? How many of you feel I look very decent? Please raise your hands. Okay, at least if I'm asking, tell that no for making me feel good. Raise your hands. Hey, Krishia, all that guys. Hey, raise your hands. Man, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Okay. What happened after this was there were times when I did mischief in the class, but majority of the time they ignored it. Why? Public speaking. Stage. Remember that stage? Yes. And I'm not joking, neither am I exaggerating. One thing I want to straight tell you people is what is important is for you to understand public speaking is not for just standing on the stage and vata, 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 vata. Okay, everybody do this. Everybody, your hands. Okay, can I see your hands? Okay, bring it near your stomach. Even if I'm not able to see your stomach, it's okay. Bring it and then say vata, 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 vata. Do this. Swing your hands and say vata, 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 vata. Tell. Jainam, why are you so serious? Okay, do this. Thank you so much. Okay, it is not for speaking. Public speaking has many other things which I want to tell you, and I do public speaking not because I want to, go and give gyan to people. How many of you understand we are already having fun? I'm making you have fun with me. How many of you agree with me? Yeah. I'm not giving you any gyan. Okay, you should do this. You should not do this. You should. Usually uncle and auntie who will come for such classes, they'll say you should do this, do this, do this. Don't do this, don't do this, don't do this. I have not told anything of that. Are we having fun? Yes. How many of you like Rajubai? Just now, okay. How many of you like Rajubai already? Type in here. Type in wow if you like Rajubai. Very quickly. Type in. I want to prove a point. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is amazing. Literally everybody. Okay. 2-3 people who are not typing is they don't. It's not they don't like. They are like typing one karega baad mein karenge. Okay. Thank you so much. But imagine this is about public speaking. Yes, how many of you agree with me? Yes. And this is what I'm going to do with you people. And that is why I believe personally, every person, especially children, especially teenagers like you, whether in 4th standard, 5th standard, 8th standard, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, whatever class, you should master this art because lifelong you will find it much easier than those people who have not learned public speaking. Am I clear on this? Yes. Show me a thumbs up if you agree with me, if you understand with me. Yeah. Thanks, Daksh. Okay. Ash and Kirti Kawad. Brilliant, guys. Brilliant. Okay. I love you guys. Okay. Anyway, so are you guys ready? Yes. Are you ready? Brilliant. Show me thumbs up. Show me some reaction. Okay. So that I know you guys are ready. So I'll also prepare myself. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, now before I move further, okay, just make sure you have your pen and book here with you, just in case you want to make notes. I will not ask you for notes. Okay. Don't worry. But I want you to have it here. You need to put that habit. Okay. You need to put that habit of having that pen and paper with you always. Okay, I'm teaching you this tip. As professionals, you should always have with you. Don't allow your mind to remember things. There are better things to remember. But write all these things down. Okay. Point number 2. I had asked you for ice cubes. 2, 3, 4 ice cubes. It is there in the fridge, right? In the plate. If it is not there, plate or bowl, please ask Amma, Mummy to keep it in the bowl. 2, 3 ice cubes we require per participant. So make sure it is there in the fridge. I will tell you when to get it. Okay. Keep it in the fridge. In case people do not have ice cubes, maybe little cold water will also do, but preferably ice cubes. Okay. Bring it here. Keep it in the fridge. Don't bring it. Keep it in the fridge. I will tell you when to bring it. Okay, guys. Yeah. So everybody. One more thing. If you have 2 different people sitting in the same house, different logins, different systems, please sit together because you are going to have lots of fun from here. when you sit together, learning is much faster. In case you have younger brother or sister, even if they don't understand, get them, because they are going to enjoy from here onwards. Okay, a lot of tamasha is going to happen, but I want people around you. If you don't have people around you, don't worry. Don't go and tell mommy, I want brother or sister. Okay, don't go and tell mommy that now. Okay. Okay. Remember to be with me. Follow my instructions. Yes. Only expectation is follow my instructions. That's all I need from you. Yeah. Just be with me. I know a lot of you people are super smart people. You would have attended a lot of how many of you have attended any public speaking program like this before? Yeah, raise your hands if you have done. Yeah. Thank you so much. A lot of you would have attended. Thank you so much. And I promise you, this is not going to be anything anywhere close to any like those programs. I can assure you of that. This is going to be way different, because our focus, our methodology, our process is international, and this is what it's based on psychic, child psychic. This is why I told you it'll go into your brains like butter. It will go into your heart like whatever you like. Okay, done. So just follow the process, whatever I tell you. Be with me 5 days. Just 5 days, 5 hours is good enough for me. You will see a huge shift in the way you are doing things. Okay, ready? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, everybody, please stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Okay, sit down, sit down. Sit down. Sit, sit, sit. You know, you people, इतना तारीफ किया आपका. I told smart people, teenagers, what all I told. And the way you people are getting up, Raju bhai. Hello. You're not oldies, you're not dadimas. Okay, in fact, when dadimas come to our program, they become super moms, super dadis. Okay, that much I can tell you. Okay, so I need you people to participate at 100%. So when I say stand up, wait. Arre, Naman, wait. When I tell you to stand up, okay, jump it. Okay, jump up and say, wow, whatever you want to say. But make some noise. I want you to be vocal. Yeah, I want you to use your tongue. Make sense? Yes. In fact, mummy should come from kitchen, okay, or wherever she is. Oh my God, pagal to nahi hogi. This is what mummy should. If that reaction is there, that means, yeah, you are true to my definition of teenagers. Okay, badmashi. Remember that. Pakada nahi jana chahiye, badmashi karo, no problem. Yeah. Okay, remember energy, 100%. You told 100% participation. Okay, everybody, please stand up. Brilliant, guys. Of course, we have reached a level. I assure you, by the end of class 5, you will. Don't worry, even if I'm not able to see you, that's okay. You should be able to see me. Okay, for the next 30 seconds, you should be able to see me. Stand up, stand up, stand up. No sitting. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Okay. Put your hands in the air, straight. Fully stretch your hands. Move your fingers like this. Stretch and move your fingers like this. And go this way. Stretch and make some noise. Ah. That should come. Okay, you do it every day morning, right? And go this way. Okay, slowly put your hands on your hip. Okay, don't do it very hard, otherwise kuch to bhi alag ho jayega. Okay, very gently. Make some noise. I want you to make that noise. Okay, and bend down. Yeah, in front. Go down, touch the ground if possible. Yeah, and then give a high five to your neighbor and say, "You're amazing." And if you don't have a neighbor, yeah, sit down, please. Have your seat. Yeah, please have your seat. Okay. If you don't have a neighbor, don't worry. If you're alone, see, I have solutions. Okay, I'm a man of solutions. I'm a solution man. Okay. So what you need to do is, if there is don't enter. No. Okay. If there is nobody around you, don't worry. You give a high five to yourself like this. Okay. Everybody do this. This is called self high five. Do this. Do this. Yeah. And when you say, "You are amazing," point fingers at you. You are amazing. Do this. You are amazing. Do this. Do this. Do this. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay. If there are no partners, if you have partner, if mommy is there, anybody is there, call them. Make them sit next to you. They'll enjoy. Okay. And give a high five. Yeah. Wonderful. Listen, I'm not here to give you gyan. I'm here to take you through an experience. How many of you already experienced Raju bhai? How many of you are already feeling that, wow, this is going to be amazing? How many of you are already feeling this? Yeah, I want to listen to you people. Yeah, through your hands, through your gestures. Yeah, thank you so much. Ritika, Divyam, yeah, Ritvik, yeah, thank you so much. Okay. I'm not here to teach you, to give you English literature gyan. I'm here to take you through an experience. I'm here to take you to the next level in this process. Okay. So are you willing to join me? Yes. Brilliant. Okay. Before we go into the first exercise, okay, I want you people to take your right hand like this. Make a fist out of this. Make a fist. Okay. Bring it close to the center of your chest. Yeah, center of your chest. Bring it. I can see you guys. Come on, do it. Sachin, come on, do it. Everybody, do it very quickly. Yeah. Thump your chest very, very gently like this. Yeah. And say, I am ready. Brilliant. Give a high five to your neighbor and say, I am ready. If there is no neighbor, you should do this. Give a high five to yourself and say, I am ready. Brilliant, guys. Before I move on, I just wanted to pat on your back for the excellent participation. You guys are amazing. I love you guys. Give yourself a pat on the back. Right hand, pat on your back on my behalf. This is Raju bhai. Feel Raju bhai patting on your back. Okay. By the way, my name is Raju bhai. People call me Raju bhai. My name is Rajendra Jain. People call me Raju bhai. What do they call me, please? What will you call me, please? Raju bhai. What will you call me? Raju bhai. Brilliant. No, Raju sir. Okay. I'm Raju bhai. Please call me Raju bhai. Okay. Thank you so much. Puneet, I want to see you. So switch on your video. Guys, that's amazing. Okay. Because now we are going to the first exercise of the evening for the first session. I'm already excited. I'm already charged up. I'm already sweating if you can see me. Okay. How many of you can see me already sweating? Okay. This is fun. This is what I want you to take through an experience. Yeah. So first exercise, please go and get those ice cubes which I told you. I've got my ice cubes. Okay, 2-3 ice cubes. I've got my ice cubes, if you can see. Yeah, please get ice cubes very quickly. Yeah, get ice cubes very fast. If you can show me in the camera, yeah, just show the bowl or whatever you have it in. Just show me that, that's all. Yeah, very quickly. Vaibhav, what happened? Guys, come on, ice cubes. I need ice cubes for everybody. Yes, I told you. Yeah, thank you so much. Sanvi, where is your ice cubes? Sweetheart, I need to see ice cubes. Oh my God. Go quickly, get some water or small little water in a glass. Get it very fast. If you don't have ice cubes. Ellen, I can see you. Ellen, Sony, okay, I can see you. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, guys, keep it on. Yeah. You need to have, if you don't have ice cubes, small little water. Yeah, take that water in a small glass and come very quickly. Yeah, Sanvi, you got brilliant, guys. Beautiful. Okay. Now listen. What we are going to do, first we will perform this experiment. Okay. You have promised me you will follow Raju bhai. You have done that, right? Okay. Don't allow your mind, thank you so much. Don't allow your mind to come and question, why should I do this? What will happen by doing this? I have never done this. My mummy, my papa, don't worry all that. Okay. I'm there for you. I'm here for you. I'm going to give you some instructions. Follow those instructions. Yes. Are you with me? And I promise you, this is going to be fun. Okay. People don't just call me crazy just like that. Okay. For me, important is driving the point. I told you, I will make sure you learn whatever it takes. Okay, I believe in that. Okay, and you guys are smart any which ways. So ice cubes, what you are going to do is take that ice cube. Okay, listen to me very carefully. Take it in your hand. Take it in your hand. Yeah. Listen to this very carefully. If there are two of you, both of you should have ice cubes. There are 2-3 ice cubes in your hands. Okay. And slowly, either on your back or in front. Just put it inside and feel them. Okay, wherever you want, back or front, feel them. And if you feel like laughing, laugh, it's okay, but do it. If you feel like laughing at your brother or sister sitting next to you, laugh, but do it. Oh my God. How many of you can feel something going around? Just move it around with your hands. I want you to do this, do this, do this. Move it around. You can feel, okay. Just, if you feel like moving, it's okay. Do it. Just bring it up. In case it goes down, bring it up. Okay. Feel it. Yeah, do it. Yeah, come on, guys. Come on. Yeah, you promised me you'll do. My God, it's so. It's going. Okay, guys, I want you. Okay, do it. If water is there, put that water inside. Little water, put it inside. I want you to do it. Yes. Oh my God. When it goes to a new place, it kind of tickles, no? Okay. Oh, okay, leave it there. Leave it. Okay. How many of you feeling excited right now? Honest answer, okay. How many are feeling excited? Show it on your face. Let it come on your face. Never hold back your excitement, okay? Why I made you do this? Okay, laugh. Aditya, you're enjoying. I know that, okay. A lot of you have not done this for the whole. Yesterday, you should know. See, I don't do anything just for the sake of doing, okay. First, I experimented. So yesterday, we were doing it. You know what my son did? You should know this. That is why I told you. Youngsters, I love, okay, because they have answers for everything. Listen to this. We were experimenting. I did this, okay, for experiment. Me and Sunita ji were doing, okay, working on this. He took it. He went to his Dadi Sa. Listen to this carefully. He put it inside his Dadi Sa. Okay, you are wearing odna tha. And he put it there. कुछ तो भी कर सकते हॉटस्पॉट डाले क्या Okay, guys, very sorry about this. Okay, the power is off, so we have made some alternative arrangement for you people. So if I look like a black and white guy, that's okay. Okay, don't worry. I am same Raju bhai. Okay, because the show must go on. I will ensure it goes on. We will not black out. Are you with me? Yes. Yeah. Okay, we are doing some arrangement, whatever possible. Okay. So important point is, this excitement has to be there. Whenever you want to be a public speaker, that excitement has to be there. If you do not have excitement, people will not like you. Are you with me on this? Yes? Remember the time when you clapped before the speaker finished his speech or her speech? You remember that? What to do with the eyes? Arey Baba, why did you take such a big eyes? I pity you. Don't take it out. Leave it inside. Somebody's taken a big piece of ice. That's okay. If you can remove it, remove. What I wanted to share with you, I've already done. Okay. What you need to understand is, if you are not excited, nobody will want to listen to you. Are you with me on this? Yes. They will not like you. Are you with me on this? Yes. If I ask you who's your favorite auntie, okay, admit. If I ask you who's your favorite auntie, think of your favorite auntie or uncle, and I will tell you those are the people who are excited always. Are you with me on this? Yes, you agree with me on this? If I ask you, thank you so much. If I ask you who's your favorite teacher, okay, it will definitely be a teacher who's excited always. Yes, it will not be a boring teacher. Are you with me on this? Yeah. In fact, thank you so much. And this is what, as a speaker, we should be people who are excited always. Yes. Are you with me on this? How many of you like me? How many of you already like Raju bhai? Yeah. Type in the chat box very quickly. Me. Type it very quickly. If you like Raju bhai, type in very fast. Yeah. Oh, I like somebody's putting so many e. Screen ke bahar hi ja raha hai bhaiya. Okay. Absolutely brilliant. You know why? Just imagine I come here. Okay. I come here and say, my dear children, we are going to learn public speaking. Okay. So all of you have got your notes because I'm going to give you notes and you should take notes. Okay. Now, I want to thank you because if just imagine if I come something like this, you know, half of you will run away. The other half will still keep the the login on and you will go away from there. Are you people on with me on this? Yes. Listen, whatever, wherever you are, whether you're talking to your mom, whether you're talking to your friend, whether you're talking to your teachers, whomever you are talking to, you need to be excited. Are you people with me on this? Yes? Yes or yes? Thank you. Excitement, that is the sign of the best speakers. Whether, see, you don't require public speaking skills for being a speaker, right? But you require it to be popular. How many of you want to be famous in your school? Thank you. How many of you want to be, where teacher thinks very good about you? Thank you. Yeah, like me, even if you are very naughty, still people have to say, ah, bahut acha bachcha hai, correct? Remember my keyword, masti karo, lekin pakda nahi jana chahiye. Yeah. In fact, pakda gaya to bhi, if you're a person who participates, who's excited, half of the time your sins will be forgiven. Take my word, you will be forgiven. Why? If you are excited. Are you people with me on this? Yes? Yes or yes? Brilliant. And next 4 days, okay, today and next 4 days is all about excitement. We are going to talk about, how to be excited when you are, okay, on the stage, off the stage. Entire crux will be on this part, this concept, okay, what you can do, how to make sure the people listen to you, how your mom should always say, you ask anything, Mummy pani puri khane jane, she should nod her head. See, that is what communication skills is, right? When you ask something to mom, she should always say yes. Okay, Papa, I want bike. He should say, oh my God, my son, take. Oh, my daughter, you want bike. Oh, that should be, you agree with me on this? Yes. But now what happens? Anytime you ask, they're like, no. You ask anything and they will say no, right? Vishasvi, you're biting your nails, sweetheart. Oh my God, I caught you. Okay, excitement. How many of you understand? See, I could have made simply, Vishasvi, you're eating your nails. Don't you have manners? They don't teach you manners. Just Vishasvi, will you like that? Yes or no? Will you like somebody like that? But tell me, the way I put it, did you like it or not? Tell me. See, difference. I'm showing you simple things. When you're excited, negativity doesn't come close to you. You understand what I'm talking about? Yes. All my smarties, all my backbenchers, where are you? Okay, all my backbenchers, please wave at me. Okay, yeah, backbenchers, I love you guys. Okay, I enjoy backbenchers. Dhamaka karte wo log. Where are my front benchers? My rank holders. Okay, all my rank holders, front benchers, please raise your hands. I love you guys, okay, because you put a lot of efforts. Believe me, you put a lot of efforts, okay, and that is why I appreciate and I acknowledge, okay. Excitement, whatever you do. In fact, when I teach people, when I teach science, maths, can you ever imagine I have taught literature, like I'm doing drama, and that goes inside very fast. How many of you understand what I'm saying? People make it so boring. Excitement is the key. What is the key, please? What is the word? Type in the word. Type in the word. What is the word which will make you popular, which will make you people wanting you? What is the word? Brilliant. Yes. Type in. Because now, see, we also want to, I told you, a lot of students, a lot of children face this problem of how should I write the speech? Yes or no? Yes, क्या बोलना है, क्या बात करना है? Yes. Okay. And that is when we designed this program, we said, I want to ease your pain. So what we did was, next 12 minutes that I have, okay, I'm going to share with you how to write a speech very easily, simply without efforts. Do you want to learn that art? And I'm not talking of, thank you so much, not just today. I'm talking about your lifetime. What I'm going to teach you now is going to help you throughout your life. That sounds good? Give a high five to your neighbor and say, excellent. Give a high five and say, excellent. Come on, guys. Huh? Guys, it is not like this, okay? Havan karenge, havan. Guys, this is how. Yeah, brilliant. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much, okay? Next 10 minutes, I'm going to spend on how to write that speech, okay? Today, I'm just going to make it very, very simple, okay? I'm always making it simple, but today it's going to be the surface level, and tomorrow, day after is going to be an simply, I'm going to give you the formula. You're there with me? Yeah? I'm going to give you the formula of how it can be done without effort, zero effort. Zero effort. Just to tell you today, our students who have learned this art with us, they go to MUN. How many of you have been to MUN, Model United Nations? There is something like that which happens, right? Yeah, there are students who have gone to fests, different college fests they have gone. Yeah, students, these interaction they go, and I can show you pictures after pictures with these boys and girls send me. Raju bhai, today I won this, today I won that. You know, I told mummy ko mat batana, mummy ko batayegi. Her first question is, "Itta leke aa jati hai, kahan rakhna hai?" Okay, because how many of you want this scene where mummy says, "Itta jeet ke aati hai, kahan rakhu?" How many of you want that? So when you are saying that, you should smile. No, have a smile, feel it. Huh? Actually, mummy is telling that. This is what happens. Why? Because the formula, the system which I'm going to give you is immaculate. It's fantastic. Okay. So today what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to give you in detail. Today I want you to just taste the surface level. Okay. Just taste the surface level. Before I go into that, you will not take anybody's help. One, are you with me on this? It's very simple exercise. Thank you so much. But if you follow this exercise, let me tell you, tomorrow, day after, till 5th day, it will become very easy for you. One. Two, here after the program, anything that you want to write will become even more easier. So you want to go through the art, right? Yes? Thank you. Now, what I want to tell you is, think of any topic. Yeah? Think of any topic. Don't tell me, don't write it in the chat box, please. I think Wi-Fi on. Okay. Think of any topic. Any topic. See, it could be, for children. Huh? Right. Don't write it. Don't reveal it here in the chat box. I want you to write it in your book. Write it in your book. Listen, when I tell you to write it in the book, write it. I want you to write it. Okay, write it in the book, someplace. Okay. For the, younger children, okay, it could be something like watch, something my mother is whatever. My mother is sweet, or my mother is always angry. Whatever. Okay, mother. It could be food. It could be car. It could be whatever. Okay. For grown-ups, okay, for those 10th, 11th, 12th, and further, it could be my career, my dreams, my life, my style, things like this. I'm unstoppable. Whatever. Don't write it here. Please don't write it here. Do not reveal it here. You need to write it on the paper. I don't want to see that. Okay. I want you to write it. Wi-Fi is on. That's okay. Okay. Correct. Yeah. I want you people to write it down. Okay. Have you written it? Very any topic which comes to your mind. Don't spend your time on the topic. What I should. Don't scratch your head too much. All your hair will fall down. Okay. By the way, don't scratch. Don't think too much. Write one topic. Whatever is coming to your mind. Sneeze. Write down. Write it down. Yeah. Scratching. Write down. Something. Write down something. Whatever you can see around or whatever you feel. Write down. Somebody says excited. Somebody, last time I told somebody wrote Raju Bhai. I will write. Whatever is coming into your mind, don't spend too much of time on that. Okay. Because I'm just trying to scrape through inside you. Okay. Right now, I want to just ease out a bit. Next is, once you have written a topic, all of you have got your topic. Yes. Done with your topic. I am not worried. Thank you so much. I'm not worried whether the topic is good, bad. What will happen is your mind will come and keep telling you, ye acha hai kya, ye karna hai kya. Okay, don't. Write the topic, freeze. That is it. What I want you to do is, whatever you have written, don't change the topic now. For whatever reasons, there may be 100 better topics coming to you. Don't change it. Are you with me on this? Yes? Show me hand. Show me hand. Thank you. I'm trying to train your mind. Okay, there is a reason why I am doing this exercise. Sambhav, you are with me on this? Yeah. Varun, with me on this? Adesh, with me on this? Yeah. I'm just trying to train your mind. See, I'm an expert in this. Okay. When I say I've got 100% record, when I say my students go and win hearts at MUN and whatever competitions, okay, it is because our method works. Don't allow your mind to, fickle around saying that ye correct hai, ye nahi hai, itna easy, itna difficult. No, just follow it. Okay. Don't change the topic for whatever reason, whether I'm able to see it, whether I'm not able to see it. Don't change your topic now. Yes. And please understand, I'm trying to train your mind. My job is to train your mind. Okay. Next. Okay. What you are going to do is not now. After the program is over, what you are going to do is, you are going to write down 5 to 7 sentences, whatever is coming to your mind. No asking anybody. Please do not ask. Please do not search. No grammar corrections, no auto corrections, whatever. You are getting my point? Yeah. Divyanshi, you are getting with me. You are with me on this. Himanshu, you are with me on this. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. By the way, can you people hear me clearly, right? I always say I'm of a sound mind, and okay, this sound also is good. This sound is also good. Okay. Okay. How many people this sound is good with this man? Palak and Suhani, you are thinking whether this is right. This sound is right with this man or no. Oh my God. Sweethearts, you need to say, agree. Yes. Is this sound right with this man? Yes or yes? See, you still are not agreeing. Oh my God. I need to go to a doctor and check what. Done. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. What you are going to do is 5 to 10 sentences. You are going to write yourself. No help. No seeking. Whatever you have written now, don't change it. Don't go anywhere. I want you to stick to it. Sit down for 5-10 minutes and complete 5 or 10 sentences. One. Make sense? In the process, do not ask anybody for some better words. Don't ask anybody anything. You will write it no matter what your age is, whether you are 10 years, whether you are 18 years, whether you are 25 years, it doesn't matter. Important point is not asking anybody anything. Am I making sense? Guys, am I making sense? Thank you so much. For all my smarties here, I told you beforehand, be with me. Don't overshoot me. Okay. Don't go ahead of me. Be with me on this. Okay. There is a reason why I'm doing the way I'm doing. And I'm promising you, 5th day, you'll see the difference. I'm just trying to train the, your mind. I'll tell you tomorrow why I did all this. It may sound very easy, but I know why I'm doing this. Make sense? Yes. Point number 3, very, very important. Okay. And remember, you promised me you'll do it. Yes. Remember that? Yes. All of you. Yeah. What you are going to do is, you are written on a paper, right? On a fresh paper. Write it down. Record it on a video. Yeah. Record it the way it is. Yeah. Don't worry what to start, how to end, whatever. I don't know what you do. Simply whatever you want to do. But these 10 sentences say, hi, my name is so-and-so. And today I want to share about this and share those 10 read out those 10 sentences only. Do not, I know a lot of people are smart. What they will do is, hi, my name is Rajendra Jain. Today I'm going to talk about watch. What watch is? Okay, you know what? Watch is you have not written that, but watch is very good. Here you may have written watch shows us time. And now you think when I told you to record it on a video, you will think, oh my God, they will think this is silly. I'm trying to train your mind. Please be with me. I train CEOs, people worth 1,000, 2,000 crore companies. Okay. They follow simple because I'm a result man. I will show you results. That's all I want. Yes. Done. I'm not here to show you how to stand on a stage, how to sit down. You know it. You agree with me? Yes. I'm not here to teach you how to talk. You already know it. Make sense? My method is different. Follow it. That's all. And I promise you, day 5, you will see a huge difference in you. Huge. And I take it as a challenge. Huge difference. Okay. Just follow me. Done. So 3 steps. 1, topic you have already written. No change. 2, write 5 or 10 sentences. After this program is over, 5 or 10 sentences you will write down. After that, what you are going to do is record that on a video and share it either as your status or Facebook or YouTube. Do what you have to do. Share it. I want people to see it. You're making sense? Am I making sense? You understood what I'm saying? Either as your status or send it to a few people or put it on Facebook, put it on Instagram for those people who do not have mobile phones. Okay. Now don't go and say Rajubhai gives like this, so please buy me a mobile phone. Don't do that. Okay. You can do it on your mama's phone, papa's phone, whatever. But I want you to upload this. Make sense? Do not hesitate. Do it. Once you do it, yes, once you do it, then I will take you through tomorrow. In fact, the time is over. Oh my God. The time is over. How fast the time goes, right? The time flies. How many of you think you learned something today? How many of you think you learned something today? Very quickly, yeah? If you learned it, give a high five and say, this was amazing. Give a high five to your neighbor and say, this was amazing, very quickly. Yeah, because I want to give you a very, very important instruction. Yeah, very important instruction. Listen to this, because quite a few of you, I have this habit, okay? Now, I always believe smart people work the smart way. So what I usually do, wherever I go training, I have huge training materials which I have done, written, videos and all, which when I was training, I write them and I repeat them. I see them again. I want to go through that experience again. How many of you want to go through that experience again? How many of you feel you should go through that experience again? Yeah. Thank you so much. Because when I used to say, and I used to make notes, because this is live, right? Sometimes we miss out on things. You agree with me on this? Yeah. So what I'm going to do is, very specially for you people, I'm going to upload this on YouTube. I'm going to share the link with you. Make sense? Subscribe to the channel. We have a Sarvatra channel, okay, where we put all these kind of videos only, where you can learn a lot of stuff, especially public speaking, all this stuff. I will share the link with you in the evening. I will upload it in the evening, share it in the evening. Whenever you have time, go through it. And I'll tell you, you'll realize it is actually a little different than what you actually saw here. You'll feel that. And you will be able to make more notes. Do that. We'll meet again tomorrow. At what time? 3:50. 4 o'clock, nahi. 3:50. Yeah? 3:50 will be here. Before leaving, leave one comment here. Leave one comment here in terms of how did you feel about today's session? I want your feedback. Okay. Did you feel it excited? Were you excited? Yes. Are you enjoying now? Yes or yes? Did you enjoy the session? Just give me one word feedback. Okay. How did you feel about today's session? I'll see you tomorrow. I love you, boys and girls. You people are amazing. Give a pat on your back on my behalf and say, beta, good job. Say, beta, good job. Tell this to yourself. I am telling you, beta, good job. Achha, you can do it to your neighbor. Okay, some people are doing this. Do that. See, already you people have started talking my language. I love you guys. Okay. See you tomorrow. Till then, bye.